to be doing a review. I couldn't think of what I was going to say at first, but yes, on this, I'm so excited because I have a lot of hair and y'all probably like, what is this? Just wait and see. Open me. Prepare to be amazed. If shook is what you're going for, we've got you. And I want to be shook. I do. All right, check this out. Okay, this is what we have. Are y'all still a little confused? Okay. Let's see. Okay, here's a piece. It's got a pantyhose over it. Okay. Y'all know what this is. Okay, here we go. Okay. That piece. Oh. Okay. Let's take this piece off. Come on. So here's a filter. Okay, so then you take this out. Instructions. And the huge hose. I'm so excited. Okay. Should I read the instructions or try to figure it out myself? Huh? Cause I really want to do the first one. There we go. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Okay. See that? Before I break something. All right, so when you get it, you stick it in this with this bottom piece right here, and then I guess you put it in and then twist. It just don't feel secure. Wow. Lip gloss. Okay, I'm trying to get to it. Be patient. All right. Because don't nobody want to do this hair more than me and get it over with. But I really want to use this even more. Okay. I don't know where this piece goes. Let's see. Is this how it goes? I just be doing stuff and do not be reading nobody's instructions. Hold on. Okay. Whew. Okay, what is this? Do I need to take this out? I'm gonna have to read the instructions just a little bit because what is this? Is this supposed to stay? Okay, hold on. Quick start guide. Okay. Attach the hose. Stick the one can rest on the, okay. So I was supposed to stick this in here. See, I don't need no instructions. Boom. And this can hang right there. Okay, what's next? Let me make a little bust down right quick. Here we go. Hold on, wait, I can't see. Whew. All right, now. Lip gloss. All right. So, I guess I can do me a little piece. don't know how big to do, so I'm gonna go with this right here. Yeah. All right, come on. I'm ready. Show me something. Show me. All right. I'm prepared to be shook. Here we go. Hold on. The shook it is coming, cause what? Now, redo. Let's take that blooper out. Apparently, I do have to read the instructions. All right. Power on the base unit and 1. Be sure your preferred settings are set. Okay. Somebody tell me what's going on. Sorry, I can close my mouth while I'm thinking. Section, da 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 da. But help me turn it on. Tension. Okay. That I wanna do my hair. What's the secret? Somebody tell me something. Oh, okay, let's see. Here we go. Here, oh, we got action. Deep breath. I feel like we didn't get off to a good start, so hold on. I didn't listen to their instructions. They said to part your hair in 6 pieces, but I gotta see what I'm working with. All right. Ow. Okay. Turn me up to about. Hold on, and I didn't even leave it on for the full 90 seconds that they be saying. Okay, so let me just tell y'all this. So number 2 right here at the top, when you click it, pop, that's hot, okay? So I can only stand it for a little bit. The one at the bottom is not as hot. And then the one in the middle is no heat at all. And it's just sucking your hair in, basically. This right here, these numbers is a plus and a negative. So the higher you go up, the harder the tension, the harder it sucks and pulls it in. I'm feeling it so far, and I've only just done the first piece. So let's just keep going. Let's see where this takes us. And I'm gonna try to hold on to the heat a little bit because I want it to be a little straight, you know, take a little bit of work off of me. All right, here we go, here we go. Talk to me. I feel like this is too big of a piece, but I feel like I'm here for a good time, okay? So, is it gonna be fine or no? We'll see. We don't know. All right. The funny thing to me is my hair is gonna be all the way down in this tube, okay? All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. All right. Period. Okay. I love it. I love it. Okay. This is not a paid advertisement, but that would be nice if they would pay me. But this is not a paid advertisement, but I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Okay, here she is, the bust down. Okay, the fresh flatty. Okay, final results, final results. As far as the RevAir, okay, let me just give y'all when I got off camera. So when I got off camera and I was just feeling through my hair, you know, just to see, is everything dry? Because, you know, when you really doing this and you constantly, all that work, doing this and doing that, and my hair is this long, it still be some spots inside that's still wet. After I did those, and I didn't go over nothing. Like, I just did it that one time that y'all seen, and boom. Dry on my scalp. I thought that was gonna be a problem. I had a little bit of a nervousness about it, but I love it. I love it. Less work for me. Not everybody has this much hair, so I don't know if it's worth it for everybody, but for me, period. All right, I'm out.